Welcome to another Mimu tutorial video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up a happy hour for your venue. First, we must set up the happy hour time. For this, we go up to the menu structure and we click on your name. Once in there, you'll notice on the left-hand side, we have the bar open and bar close time, and then additionally, we have the happy hour start and happy hour end time. To set a happy hour start time, simply click in the venue and select your happy hour time. For instance, I'm going to have happy hour at 12 o'clock today. Simply scroll through numbers, select done, and then set an end time. In this case, I'll set it to 1 o'clock. And click done. Once this is done, you must hit save changes. Now, for all the items that you wish to go on special during the happy hour, you must then go and select them from your menu structure. To do this, you go in, for instance, to Peroni. You drop the Peroni menu down, and in here you can see that we have a normal price, a happy hour price, and a special price. To change the happy hour price to be different to your normal price, you select the pen, and in here you're able to set, for instance, the price of a MIDI to $6 and click save. Now you can see the happy hour price for this MIDI is $6. Then whenever it comes to the happy hour time, automatically this price will be changed to $6. From here, we simply have to go back to our current orders, and we can continue processing orders as they come into your venue. Thank you very much for listening.